something to tell you. They lied to us, they deceived us, they told us that politics is a dirty game. Then the intelligent ones, the technocratics, those who were supposed to go into politics, didn't want to play dirty. So they went into professional courses, became doctors, lawyers, engineers, and journalists. Beautiful. But the idiots, the touts, and the ragamuffins who decided that they wanted to play dirty went into politics and started deciding the future of the lawyers and doctors, because now they are the presidents and the governors. Friendly reminder, as long as the lions do not have historians, it is the exploits of the hunters that will be celebrated rather than the bravery of the lions. As long as the intelligent ones and the technocratics continue to shy away from leadership positions, Africa might never recognize her potential. Remember, wisdom is the principal thing.